Ah, the box. Inside is the brand new Mini Paul Smith edition. But before we get into it, let me take you to where it all started. Because every detail is a door waiting to be opened. Minnie and I go way back. It's a partnership built on details. What a journey to get here. Oh, stripes. Stripes have followed me since the beginning. You can find them in and around the edition. Sometimes they're obvious, and sometimes they're just quiet little twists. Colour isn't just visual, it's emotional. That's why I chose 3 interesting car colours for you to pick from. This is inspired white, warm, open, full of possibilities. Statement grey, like the sky before it rains. Midnight black, like a tuxedo. Matte suit, shiny lapels. Oh, and don't forget, Nottingham green, it reminds me of home. Oh, wrong door, unless you need to go to the toilet. People say I'm a collector, but I prefer curious. That's a fine-looking rabbit. My Mini Paul Smith edition will feed your curiosity. Find a detail over here, a surprise over there. Just like London in the morning, every day is a new beginning. So why don't you try something new and just see what happens? This isn't just one car, it's across the entire Cooper range. Here it is, the first of the Mini and Paul Smith editions.